हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम एनसीईआरटी की जितने भी इम्पोर्टेंट्स टॉपिक्स और जितने भी इम्पोर्टेंट्स लाइंस हैं उन सबको हम एसएसएल रीज़न के क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस करके कवर करेंगे। स्टार्ट करते हैं। सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन, ग्रोथ कैन नॉट बी कंसाइडर्ड एज अ डिफाइनिंग करेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म। रीज़न, नॉन लिविंग ऑब्जेक्ट्स लाइक माउंटेन्स ऑल्सो ग्रो इन साइज। यस, बोथ assertion and reason true, because growth alone cannot define life, because non-living things also show growth by accumulation of material. So both are true, and reason is also correct explanation of assertion. So A option is the correct answer. Next question, reproduction is a defining feature of living organism. All living organism reproduce. So assertion is true, but reason is false, because reproduction is not universal. Example, mules, trial worker bees do not reproduce, hence not a defining property. So assertion is true, but reason is false. C option is a correct answer. Next question, metabolism is a defining characteristic of living organism. Metabolic reaction can be demonstrated in a cell-free system. Yes, both are true, but not a correct explanation, because metabolic reactions can occur outside a living body in vitro, but the property of metabolism is exhibited only by living organism as a whole. Okay, so both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not a correct explanation of assertion. So B option is a correct answer. Next question, cellular organization is the defining feature of life forms. Living organisms are made up of one or more cells that perform all vital function. Both are true, and reason also correct explanation, because all living organism, चाहे वो यूनिसेलुलर हो या फिर मल्टी सेलुलर हो, सेलुलर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो होता है वो मोस्ट फंडामेंटल प्रॉपर्टी होती है लाइफ की. सो A is a correct answer. Next question, consciousness is most obvious feature of living organisms. Reason, all living organisms respond to external stimuli. Yes, both are correct and also correct explanation, because response to stimuli like light का हो, chemicals, temperature, etc. is seen in all living form, जो कि consciousness की basis है of consciousness. So A option is a correct. Next question, nomenclature is essential for identifying organisms. Yes, and some organism may have different local names in different regions. Yes, both are true, because bionomical nomenclature removes confusion created by local names and provides universal identity. So A option is the correct. Next, taxonomy help in identification, nomenclature and classification of organisms. Reason, taxonomy is the science of naming, describing and classifying organism based on similarities and difference. ये दोनों ही एनसीईआरटी की लाइंस हैं और दोनों ही एकदम करेक्ट हैं, और एक्सप्लेनेशन जो है वो भी सही है. तो ए ऑप्शन इज अ करेक्ट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन एंड लास्ट क्वेश्चन, a species is a group of similar organisms capable of interbreeding and producing fertile offspring. Yes, true. Horse and donkey belong to same species as they produce mule. No, this is false, because mule जो होता है वो स्ट्राइल होता है. हॉर्स और डंकी दोनों ही सेम स्पीसीज नहीं है, डिफरेंट स्पीसीज हैं. सो assertion is true, but reason is false. C option is correct answer. Thank you.